It's an extremely proud and emotional moment for us on this very special day.
If I would like to say about this school, I must say the name itself, Shri Vallabh Ashram, is one of the highly trusted institute in this area.
When we were thinking about our child first schooling, suddenly we came to know that the Vallabh Ashram is going to start at Billimora. And after that, without much thinking, it was the best option. What we as a parent expect from the school.
A qualified teachers with polite and calm behavior towards our child, a friendly environment and cooperation of school system. Shri Vallabh Ashram is one of the best example for above all.
Apart from education, they focus on the built discipline, etiquettes, and most importantly on Indian culture.
Regarding education part, a teaching pattern is a simple with that knowledge that a child grasps easily.
We are witnessed from the first day of the school that Sri Kushakaria and his entire team, including teaching and admin staff, try to give their best and still working hard to make a bright future of each and every student. I would like to thank all the teachers for the hard work that they put in online session. A big thank you to all of them.
I appreciate that the fact that focus is not just finishing the syllabus but also ensuring the each and every kid learning properly.
A special thank to class teacher for always being available whenever we need the help. I feel myself lucky to be a part of the school system. Thank you, Sri Dinesh Shakaria, Sri Kush Shakaria,
Suchita ma'am,
and
all the dedicated team.
Thank you.
Thank you.
How can a celebration be complete without a dance? Yes, you guess it right. I hope this dance brings us big smile on your face. Thank you.
सपनों का बादल तुझे बुलाए, जीने की ख्वाहिश को ये झुलाए। ओ सपनों का बादल तुझे बुलाए, जीने की ख्वाहिश को ये झुलाए। तेरा हर कदम जो तेरा हर कदम जो खुददारी का हो, ऐसे में ये सफर सोने पे सुहागा हो। सपनों का बादल तुझे बुलाए, जीने की ख्वाहिश को ये झुलाए। कठिन है अगर रास्ता तू फिक्र ना कर, कठिन है अगर रास्ता तू फिक्र ना कर। की कोशिश में निकल आएंगे पर, खुली आंखों कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं, तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले, आशाएं खिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी, आशाएं खिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी।
सोचा कहाँ था ये जो हो गया, माना कहाँ था ये लो हो गया, चुटकी कोई काटो ना है हम तो होश में, कदमों को थामो ये है उड़ते जोश में, बादल पे पाँव है या छूटा गाँव है, अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है, बादल पे पाँव है या छूटा गाँव है, अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है।
A hearty congratulations, dear students. You have successfully completed your kindergarten. Education shapes the minds and create opportunities for a bright future. Students, first 2 years you had great fun and enjoyed all the activities in school. But due to coronavirus, you missed your school life. The pandemic has created a different perspective in our lifestyle. It has taught us to hope for the best and plan for the worst. Dear parents and my beloved students, your involvement and active participation in all the activities helped us to overcome this difficult time. It takes a big heart to train the little mind. Our team tried their level best to maintain the student-teacher bonding. They adapted the new techniques, methods, and conducted various activities to connect you all with the school. A big thank you, dear students, teachers, and parents for the cooperation and support you have extended throughout these years. I wish you all the best, dear students, for your next level of formal education. May your journey of learning be joyful and full of new adventure. Thank you.